Hey guys, this is Paradwaj with Phone Arena and I have a quick unboxing to do of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 Flip Wallet. So this is a flip cover made with false leather and has the normal flip cover design, but it has the extra slots for credit cards or ID or whatever. So this is another accessory that we picked up for the Galaxy Note 3. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. That's the flip cover. As I said, this will replace the back, so it is also made of the same material that the back has. You can see the instruction here that asks you to take the back out. So that's going to be pretty easy. So that's the flip cover's insides. You can see the contacts for something interesting. This might be the same as the back cover, so let's see about that. This is where you can keep your cards. It says do not keep the cards this way, like horizontally, so you should keep it only like this way. So yeah, that's the flip cover wallet. Let's see how it fits on my Galaxy Note 3. So this is the Note 3 we have here. You might have seen the unboxing. This is the black version. So unfortunately we got the white flip case. You can see that there are no contacts here, which is pretty weird. Let's use the flip case and see how it fits. So yeah, it fits really well. It doesn't look exactly like the back case. You can see here it's actually quite larger than the back case here. But it does have the opening for the stylus, and it does have the appropriate fitting that's needed. So nicely fits. Doesn't look like a white phone inside, but yeah, if it's a white Note 3 it would have fit better. But the material is much different than what you have with the false leather. This is not false leather. You don't have actual stitching on the Note 3's cover, but you can see the difference here. There are actual stitchings in the Note 3's flip wallet, unlike the Note 3's back, original back. This is the original back and this is the flip cover. So yeah, that's a bit of a difference we noted right now. So we don't know how it works out for those contacts there. They are probably for the opening and closing action of the flip cover. Maybe that's it, but we will see and let you know in a bit. So we were slightly caught off guard with the two contacts on the back, but it turns out that it's for the antenna reception. We confirmed that with Samsung, so that's for the antenna reception, increasing the antenna reception on the flip cover. So that's what it's for. Yeah, we glad we could find that out before uploading the video. So yeah, that's the flip cover. That's the unboxing and a quick overview of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3's flip wallet cover. So yeah, that's it for the video. Do hit the like button if you like this video, and do hit the subscribe button if you want more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and let us know what you think in the comment section below.